Hello, hello, hello. My name is Tanae Walker and I am a makeup blogger. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a mom of 7 kids. Yes, 7 kids. 3 biological and 4 bonus. I'm married. You put a ring on it. For the past year, and we'll be celebrating our first wedding anniversary on February 17th, which is coming up real soon. My day job is I'm a teacher. I've been teaching for over a decade. I'm also a dance team coach. Been a dance team coach for about 4 to 5 years. Now you may be asking, why is a mom in her 40s starting a makeup blog now? Well, let me tell you, my students every day will comment and say things like, oh my God, Miss Walker, your eyebrows are on fleek. Oh my God, I love your makeup. I love your everyday beat. So for the past year, I've been hearing that. So now I'm gonna bite the bullet and go ahead and start this makeup blog. And I'm excited about it. So what I need for you to do for me to continue to make videos is to subscribe below, and stay tuned for more videos on skincare, on my brow routine, on my everyday beat. This beat right here took about 20 minutes. It doesn't take all that. It took about 20 minutes. So that's all, folks. See you later. Bye-bye.